I've actually been working in AI in retail for the best part of 10 years now, seen the discussion change quite a lot over that time. Certainly the last year or so, we've seen it move from, we don't have to explain what AI is anymore, and it's even moved on from, can this technology even detect what we want it to? Is it accurate? We're now at a phase where we're past ideation, we're into adoption. It's about, how is this going to impact my stores? How is this going to impact my staff, my customers? What is the experience going to be real world? So detecting accurately is table stakes now. That's completely moved out of the real criteria for making these decisions. It's all about how we're going to make it work. What is the impact going to be on our bottom line? Yes, but crucially on customer experience, on the way that our shoppers actually experience our stores, and are our staff going to adopt it, and can we get behind us?